Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create custom Shopify banners for sales. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So this one is actually pretty simple. First head over to your search bar on top and there you're going to be searching for sales just like this. Head over to your sales section. Here you can see we have basically not on the help center, but you're going to be searching in here for sales and then head over to App Store. You can see we're going to be jumping onto that. Once we are here, you can see we have multiple different applications going on, so we can use these for different type of sales. You can say like pop-up builders. So you can see we have this one and we can use this for different kind of sales. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure to choose something with a solid rating. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.